Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to provide you MCQ based one word question answers from modern poetry. So let's start. Question number 1. Which of the following best characterizes T.S. Eliot's concept of the objective correlative? Answer will be option number D. The objective correlative refers to a set of objects, situations or events which necessarily produce a particular emotion. Next question. Which of the following writers authored the poem Dulcie at Decodamist? Answer was option number A. Wilfred Owen. Next question. How can we live in this fear? Says one. From day to day, says another. Answer was option number C. Fear of global nuclear war. Next question. Which of the following descriptors does not apply to the features of French symbolist poetry that influenced other modernist poetry? Answer हो जाবে option number B. French symbolist poetry has narrative clarity. Next question. What is the most notable characteristics of Ezra Pound's in a station at the metro? Answer हो जाए option number D. The use of metaphor. Next question. Yet song of wanderings anchors ends with the lines and pluck till time and times are done, the silver apples of the moon, the golden apples of the sun. Which of the following is not a symbolic meaning of the apples? तो आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी. दे symbolize the coming apocalypse. Next question. Which of the following statements best characterize the formal qualities of Langston Hughes' poem Life is Fine? The answer हो जाएगा ऑप्शन नंबर बी. The use of alternating and rhymes and word repetitions enhance the music of the poem and along with its occasional dissonance give it an improvisation. Next question. Generally speaking, African American themes are very rare in white modernist poetry. Which of the following white poets attempted to evoke elements of back experience in his or her poems? Answer was Hart Crane. Next question. Complete the following sentence. Poetic images which idealizes odd and ascribes spiritual qualities to battle can be found primarily in English poems written. Answer was option number C. In the late stages of World War One. Next question. Which of the following images in Arthur Rimbaud's poem Eternity undermines the idea that eternity is something fixed and permanent? Answer was with the images of the sun reflected on the sea. Option number B. Next question. Which of the following figures is the author of the 1909 Futurist Manifesto? Answer was option number B. That is Filippo Marinetti. Next question. Professor Hammer points out that T.S. Eliot used quotation as an important literary technique. The use of quotations, according to Professor Hammer, suggests which of the following attitudes to the past? Answer हो जाए option number D. Paradoxically, both B and C. अर्थात difference to the past and violation of the past. Next question. In T.S. Eliot's essay called Tradition and Individual Talent, he argues that the progress of an artist consists of which of the following? Answer was option number B. Continual self-sacrifice, a continual extinction of personality. Next question. Which of the following does Professor Hammer identify as one of the most important goals of Imagist poetry? Answer will be option number C. The privileging of individual detail over the larger pattern. Next question. Which of the following statements best describes the relationship between Georgian poetry and English World War One poetry? Answer will be option number D. World War One poets like Secret Session and Wilfred Owen adapted the Georgian poetic manner to write about modern subjects most Georgian poets focus. Next question. Which of the following poets wrote about World War II? Answer will be option number C. Karl Safiro. Next question. Which of the following statements best characterizes Langston Hughes' poem The Negro Speaks of Rivers? Answer will be option number C. It is a meditation on the communal and historical aspects of individual identity. Next question. Which of the following statements best characterizes Langston Hughes' poem The Negro Speaks of Rivers? Answer will be option number C. Similar to Hart, Crane, and Whitman, Hughes uses a personal and universal I to address issues of history, race, and identity. Next question. Which of the following poets would most likely be categorized as a late Victorian poet? Answer will be option number B. Alfred Tennyson. Next question. According to the literary critic Paul Fussell, which of the following was a central trope of English poetry written during the Great War? Answer হয়ে যাবে অপশন নম্বর বি আয়রনি। তো এই ছিল কয়েকটি এমসিকিউ কোশ্চেন 1 মার্কের। থ্যাংকস ফর ওয়াচিং।